Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju from Herbalife Nutrition, 20K Senior Executive President member from Hyderabad. I'm 50 years old. I'm wanted to inspire you, wanted to explain you about what is exactly this fatty liver disease and how actually it has impact on the obesity, right? So the lot of people, they're asking us what exactly this one, So I wanted to share some information, throw some light on this what exactly this fatty liver and how the fatty liver comes. So let me share through my presentation, the slides, right? So this fatty liver is condition which, there is a lot of fat is accumulated in the liver. Liver is the important metabolizing agent. Actually, the liver has a lot of health, things. Let me explain first before myself who I am. Then I can able to throw some light on the fatty liver problem. So I myself was obese. You can see me there in that that picture. I was a government officer, Group One officer, as a gazetted officer under AP Andhra Pradesh government that time. So worked there for 10 years, and I used to supply non-judicial judicial stamp papers, from Nasik to AP. I also worked as a district registrar in Nalgonda, Khammam, Telangana, in Vijayawada, certain districts. I go in the morning and come back by night. So for my wife's sake, I came to Herbalife and almost 17 years now I quit my job and working here. So my wife lost amazing weight. You can see the difference, right? She's 43 years now and I'm 50 years now. Both are looking fantastic and looking better and awesome. That's the reason, one of the reasons why we quit my job. I quit my job and working together. So we tried on ourselves first. Once we got a fantastic result, we got confidence. That's how we started helping the society. And you can see the transformation of my wife and myself, and we both looking lean and healthy, and my children becoming taller with the world class nutrition. So now my topic for now is fatty liver. What exactly is fatty liver, how it comes? If you understand, there are two kinds of people here. Left side is an obese person, right side is lean person. They can understand the fat will be where, the what is shown in the white color is called fat. Okay, so what is shown in the red color is muscle. So you require to have more muscle than the fat. So that's the reason why the left side picture is healthy, the right side picture is obese problem. So this is 40% body fat, how the person looks like, right? Even if you are thin, you can be fat. This is what MRI reveal, magnetic resonance imaging report. So this says the fat inside is called visceral fat, what fat outside is called subcutaneous fat. The fat inside is more dangerous, deadly. Visceral fat is more deadly and dangerous than the subcutaneous fat. So obesity is the mother of all diseases. 80% of diabetes is because of obesity, fat. 70% of heart cardiovascular disease because of fat. 42% of breast and colon cancer because of fat. Gallbladder stones because of fat, right? So you can see a lot of complication because of obesity and overweight. That's why jitna bada pet utna bada set. So people they think he's a set. Actually, he's like a sick person. So it's not true. So we have to lose that extra fat or extra weight. So how much ever the stomach pet is lean, leaner रहते तो अच्छा है. So it should not be bigger. So that's the reason why not go for a pot belly, go for a lean belly. So pot belly nahi अच्छा नहीं है. You can see a lot of fats. We call this android obesity or android obesity or pot belly obesity. With the fat accumulation of fat, stomach region is more dangerous than the obesity at the hip region. Okay, that's called gynoid obesity. So the mostly that liver, particularly that area, this is the area where that causes fat actually breakdown. So the fat breakdown one, it itself becomes fatty. So it's called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So otherwise there is also alcoholic fatty liver also there, but usually this comes because of non-alcoholic fatty liver comes because of wrong eating habits and bad lifestyle, right? So how to understand this? Normal liver goes to non-alcoholic fatty liver, then slowly goes to cirrhosis. So now if you see this cirrhosis and ultimately ends up in carcinoma. Carcinoma means cancer, right? So now healthy liver is a very rich in red color. If you see this brown color called fatty liver disease. So this is healthy liver. This is fatty liver, right? You got it. So it is whitish color and brown color. And now certain areas it till some extent it is reversible. So afterwards it is not reversible. If you see this, So this is all, causes, this all you are understanding this. So it is fatty liver, there are grades are there, first level, second level. Till, second level, it is okay. Okay, reversible. Afterwards, once it got into fibrosis, cirrhosis, it's difficult to come out of it. So it becomes like a irreversible damage, which is actually require replacement, meaning transplantation. Totally liver has to be removed and liver cannot go alone. So that's the reason why we have to replace along with the heart. So that means heart, a person who is dying, if, doctors will have to look for a patient who is about to die. His heart and liver has to be transplanted together, right? Which is very expensive, 30 to 40 lakhs, the minimum, expenditure will be. But not only that, very dangerous one, very difficult, lot of risk is there. So whereas here, you don't require to, go for that kind of final stage if you take care of it beforehand. So that's where, prevention is always better than cure. Don't wait till that, fatty liver, goes in, out of your control. Why fatty liver causes problem? Because it causes lot of, hormonal imbalances, like lot of bad hormones will produce, like leptin, adiponectin. Those are actually further damages, causes more inflammation, causes actually, more fat to be accumulated. Actually, it's like a vicious cycle. So the healthy liver, I said, it's rich red in color, but the fatty liver, if you see this, the fatty liver, it turns into yellowish color or brown color. It causes gallbladder stones. That's called cholecystectomy, right? So symptoms of fatty liver, dark urine, loss of appetite and nausea, abdominal pain, weight loss and pale stools, easy, bruising and excessive fatigue and jaundice. So stages of liver damage, I said there are 4 stages. Healthy liver, fatty liver turns into liver fibrosis and cirrhosis. Up to third stage, that you saw this, these are reversible, but after third stage is irreversible, as I was telling. So should be careful. Causes of fatty liver, genetically, partly, very, very partly. Obesity is the main culprit. So rapid weight loss and diabetes and fats in the blood and side effects of medications, right? So fat necrosis, particularly pancreas also can cause, problem. So because of big accumulation of fat. So that's the reason why you have to understand how much is the body fat in the body. So we have various parameters to understand. One machine is called bioimpedance technology, where we check, the scan and tell you how much is the body fat, and waist circumference also there, BMI is also there, but BMI is not a correct indicator though. So there are different variation. We call it like wellness evaluation, where in which we'll explain the client about our visceral fat and subcutaneous fat and muscle mass and metabolic age and all that. We have various normal parameters by which we can able to explain them how much is the muscle mass, how much is supposed to be body fat and visceral fat and subcutaneous fat and so on. And the waist to hip ratio is one of the important parameter, right? The waist divided by hip size, right? So that ratio, there are parameters for women and men. If should not cross the sizes levels, and waistline should not cross for men 94 centimeters, and women it should not cross 80 centimeters, right? So bigger the waistline, short the lifeline, you know it. So balancing your fats, edible fats, omega-3 fats you're supposed to eat more, and omega-6 fats you should eat less. And omega-3 health fats has a lot of health benefits, including heart and eye health and nervous system, inflammation reduction, lot of things are there. So we have this omega-3 supplementation along with EPA and DHA, icosapentaenoic acid, docosahexaenoic acid in a capsule form, in a gel form. It's very, very helpful actually for, it has a lot of health benefits actually. Reduces saturated fats, and we suggest you to reduce that saturated fats in our diet, and also reduce the vegetable oils in cooking. So now go for prefer nut oils rather than the vegetable oils. And you should not cross more than half liter or half kg per person per month, right? So that means if in your family there are 4 people, so your oil consumption for cooking should not cross 2 liters or 2 kgs per month. And also depend on low glycemic index diet, low glycemic index or low GL, glycemic load diet, and the Herbalife nutrition products are all low in GI and GL. So multivitamin supplements also will be great, helpful for metabolism, increasing the metabolism, and like helping the, good, helping the liver also. Cell activator, it has powerful antioxidants, improve the nutrition absorption and vitality and energy. We also have the power of resveratrol, alpha lipoic acid, and polyphenols of pomegranates. And when the unhealthy digestive system, it actually causes a lot of trouble also. So to make it healthy, we require, aloe vera based supplements like Aloe Plus. We have capsule form as well as in a liquid form, very fine herbal aloe concentrate is there. Also, we also have probiotic supplements. Probiotics are very, very powerful. Of late, a lot of research is supporting that, gut is the main culprit for many kind of diseases. Okay. So once the gut is clean, gut means all intestine is clean, lot of health benefits will be there. So also the wherever the bad cholesterol is there, it has to be gone out. So beta heart is there. That is actually helpful for our reducing the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol. And to increase that, to increase the gut health, we also have for fiber supplementation. Actually, we have the best of the fiber supplementation. We call like a active fiber complex, and don't depend on the maida-based food or refined food. Go for the fiber-rich food, right? They promote the healthy, good bacteria and cellulose. Try to intake the cellulose. We also have the cellulose supplement for reducing the cellulite and water retention in the body. And not only supplements, but also we also recommend you to go for aerobic and anaerobic exercises in a proper way. Take our help, proper expert help, so that you'll have a fantastic benefit and a cumulative benefit with the exercise. So you should, what we recommend is nutrition dense and calorie less diet. So it should be filled with balanced diet. That's what we promote. Particularly our lifestyle is smart work. When you do smart work, you require to take smart diet also, right? We will never promote fat diets. Ours is everything is nutrition and balanced. We also support exercise and rest and sleep and hydration, everything. And don't go for empty calories, all junk food. You don't go for junk food and go for natural food. So you can see this, desserts. Don't go for sweets and ice creams. They are full of saturated fat and empty sugars, empty calories and full of sugars, and there are hundreds of frozen fat. They are not good for you. So don't go for all this. And don't depend on the alcohol. Try to cut down as much you can. Stop eating before going to bed. Try to at least stop eating 3 hours before going to bed. And stop eating fried food. Don't depend on the fried food, and go for our shakes. They are considered as they are award winning products. Got best breakfast award, best dinner award. And we also have Nobel Prize winning products called Nightworks, good for the blood circulation, heart healthy components. So nitric oxide is one of the powerful component. So don't depend on the refined food and the simple carbs. Go for a complex carbohydrates and fiber rich food. So our products are FSSAI approved and compliant with all FSSAI rules, and 50 plus PhDs are there out of 300 staff scientists. And ours is the #1 brand in weight management, also #1 brand in the meal replacement category. And you see this, we do a lot of hundreds of tests before giving to the clients. Hundreds, not few tens, it's hundreds of tests we do. That's why we call it like seed to feed, from the seed to the from the plant to the mouth. Okay, mostly they are on vegetarian source. So we suggest to take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. So your soul, your spirit lives in that body. So take care of it. Treat your body like a temple. So you can see this. Myself, I tried and lost weight, and we are trying to keep ourselves well, maintaining ourselves, and my wife also, my children also. If you see that blue T-shirt is mine, we are helping clients not only in diet supplement, but also making them exercises and healthy lifestyle action corrections. We recognize, we create a healthy community, we educate. A lot of education is there, and we create a healthy kind of atmosphere in the nutrition centers and wellness centers. And I my personally, I do half marathon. I'm a triathlete. I do 40. I run for I do cycling for 40 kilometers. My wife also does this healthy active lifestyle. About myself, I said I've already about after working for in government for 10 years, I quit my job because I wanted to help a lot of clients personally. So I got a lot of passion on this, helping a lot of people, health-wise and wealth-wise. So if you're really looking for our service, please do approach us. 17 years in herbal and nutrition. I'm 50 years age now. And I am a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, and I'm certified by American Society of Nutrition, marathon runner, cyclist, and CPR AAD certified, Zumba and Strong by Zumba instructor. And to reach us, these are the phone numbers in Insta and Facebook and website and YouTube, email, everything is given here. So if someone refers you apart from other than us, please go to them. Okay. In case no one recommend you, then please come to us, join us. We are more than happy to receive you and help you. And thank you for your time, and thank you for spending your time. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share to many people so that society get benefit out of this. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.